Hello, everybody. This is Daniel Ciampi from Aalborg, Denmark. I'm here to invite you to go to the website, EFIC website, and check the possibilities to propose workshops for our Congress next year, 2023, in Budapest, Hungary. You will see that there are several types or formats of workshops. One of them is called debate workshops. In debate workshops, you can have very different and variable formats of debate. The idea is to address a topic that merits reflection or merits discussion. It can be a treatment, it can be a view, it can be a diagnostic approach, whatever topic. And in the PIN field, we have several of these controversial topics can be proposed. And the format is very flexible. We may have a classical pro and contra position with discussion with the audience. We may have a pitch on the topic and then a panel discussion. And even in some congresses, very interesting experiences were obtained by inviting, for example, two known speakers who have very known positions about a specific topic and asking them to present and defend and argue for the opposite of their view. That's a very interesting exercise too. The most important thing is to have an exchange, a reflection. That's what all in-person congresses are about, getting to see people, listen to people, exchange, and refine what we know from a certain subject by having this experience. So I invite you to go to the European Pain website, EFIC website, then get to the next year's Congress, and then there's a call for workshop proposals. So I invite you to do this. The scientific committee is working really hard to try to come up and organize a scientific program that is very attractive and very fruitful for all of us next year. So see you there.